Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y61 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this, so for me it's already open. And from there, all you need to do is press and hold the power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this flash and a little image showing you what you just captured. After a moment it disappears. Once it disappears, you can find it in your gallery application. So I'm going to open that up and you can see it right up here along with a couple other ones. But there we go, there is our screenshot. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.